Unlock the secrets to seamless online security. Discover how to use LastPass.com to simplify your password management. Keep your account safe and enjoy hassle-free browsing. Say goodbye to forgotten passwords and hello to peace of mind. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use LastPass. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into LastPass.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is LastPass? LastPass is a password management service that helps you securely store and manage your passwords. It generates strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts, enhancing your security. With LastPass, you can easily autofill login details, saving time and reducing frustration. It syncs across all your devices, ensuring you have access to your passwords wherever you are. LastPass uses strong encryption to keep your data safe, giving you peace of mind. Say goodbye to password anxiety and hello to effortlessly online security. First of all I have to do is just click over get LastPass free. You will find two options here. We have the business one and the personal one. The first one we have business, designed for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to enterprises. You click over try business free and you will find this page. Here we have start your free 14 days trial of LastPass business. You have to write your full name, your work email, your phone, your company name, and you have the job title here, also organization size. Then you click over start my free 14-day trial. Then if we come back and we choose the personal one, premium, multi-device, password management and sharing for one person, you click over try personal free and you will find this page. About this one, you have just to create an account. Here we have one password, 0 hit hatches, and we have just to write your email address and your master password. The password have to respect the requirements or the conditions. For example, we have strength meter at maximum, at least 12 characters long, at least one number, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, at least one special character, and we have not your email here. And you have just to confirm your master password, so you have to write the same password here, and we have the reminder here, and you click over sign up and it's absolutely for free. Once you do that, you will find this page. Here we have your account has been successfully created. Welcome to LastPass. Install the browser extension to log in using the account you have just created. So here we have also the chat if you want to ask something LastPass assistant, and you have just to go to your Gmail and you will find this email. So here we have welcome to LastPass. Your digital life just got easier and more secure. Here are the login credentials to access your new account. So you have just to click over login LastPass, and before we have here some steps like tips for getting started. So we have here add LastPass to web browser. This lets you save and fill passwords automatically. Then we have here also add passwords to your vault. Let LastPass to do the remembering. And we have here the last one, which is try autofill on your favorite websites. Let LastPass fill in all your passwords. So once you click over log into LastPass, you will find also this page. So here we have the home page of login. You write your email address and your master password, and then you click over login and you will find this the dashboard. As you can see here, we have welcome to your vault. When you save something in LastPass, it appears here: passwords, payment cards, drivers license. You save it, the vault stores it. So as you can see, we have here welcome to your vault. When you save something in LastPass, you will find here these things. First of all, we have add your first password. So once you click over add your first password, you will just find these items. For example, we have password here, secure node, address, payment card, bank account. For the first one, you have to just link your URL and the name, the folder, the username, and we have the site password and the notes here, and then you click over save. Then we have the second one, which is secure node. About this one, you write your name, the folder, and you have to write the node, and then you click over save. Then we have the third one, which is address. You have to write the name also, the folder, the title here, and then we have the first name, the middle name, the last name, the username, the gender, Then we have the birthday, the company, the address, the first address, the second address, the third address, the city town or the town here, and you write also the country, the state, and we have the zip or postal code. Then you have the country, the time zone, the email address, the phone, the even phone, mobile phone, fax, and we have the notes. Then we have here also the payment card. So you have to write the name, the folder, the name of card, type the number, the security code, then we have the start date, the expiration date, and the notes. Then you click over save. Then we have the last one, which is bank account. You have to write the name and the folder. For example, here also bank name, account type, routing number, account number, SWIFT code, IBAN number, and we have PIN, branch address, branch phone, and the notes. So this is it for add your first password. Then we have here import your existing password, save time, import your password from another service. Then so about this one, you have just select other service such as for example Google Chrome or other things or browser, and then you add it in here LastPass. You have your add LastPass extension to your browser. This lets you save and then fill passwords automatically. About this one, you will find this page once you click over it, and we have here add to Brave, as you can see. And then we have here also other options like here we have notes, for example. You can just add the notes here, and then we have addresses, also the same thing, payment cards, bank accounts also. And we have other options like secret dashboard, emergency, account settings, advanced options, and help. So after signing up for LastPass, quickly boost your security by importing existing password from your browser. Use the built-in password generator to create strong, unique password for each account. Then save your login details with one click for easy auto-filing. Enjoy hassle-free browsing while keeping your accounts safe. So this is the steps that we have to follow to get started with LastPass. So LastPass is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online security and simplify password management. By securely storing and auto-filing your passwords, it allows you to focus on what matters most without the stress of forgotten login details with its user-friendly features and strong encryption. LastPass empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence. Make the switch today and take control of your online security. So you have just to get started as soon as possible and use lastpass.com for your personal life. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.